Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Got something real quick for a little DIY if you keep forgetting like I have to order a special tool. I drive Toyotas, a couple Toyotas, my Ford. Uh, Toyota has the special element filter for the oil. So it's kind of like the Ford. There's not really you can get the special tool for the Ford as well, where it's just a really large nut that's on there. Most people aren't going to carry that kind of a socket to get a hold of the oil filter cap. On the Toyotas, it's a little different. Let me flip you around here. So, biggest issue is this wonderful thing. I'm dripping oil now. And they've designed it that it looks like you'd be able to get something on there, but you can't. Normal oil filter wrenches and whatnot, and then whether this is recessed inside the car. I know on my van I'm able to get it a lot better because I've just never bought the tool yet. And you can tell where I've marred it up getting it off there. And I went to change oil again. I was like, I just keep forgetting the stupid tool that I need to order. So I tried something different. You can make your own tool out of an existing oil filter wrench. It just goes on 3/8 drive. But you need a 3/8 drive to take the bottom of this off anyway, and then you screw in the plastic drain that comes with your filter. It's over on the ground over there. I'm about ready to finish up, but I want to show you this. Now, what I did to start, because I couldn't see up in there, was I started with a notch on both ends because that's what I was just feeling. There's two smaller ones on the one side, so it's 3 and a 1. They're about 1/4 of an inch. These are a little bit smaller, more like 3/16. These two tangs, I've got to do this while trying to hold my phone. But I cut that just a cut off here. Oh, I didn't set it all the way down. I made the one just a little bit tight so I got some grip on it, but now the tool to take that stupid thing off there. Save me about 25 bucks, I guess. This still works. I put one of my older, because I changed the oil in one of the Chevys for the work trucks, and I used this on that Chevy. It's got one of the tiny filters for some ungodly reason on a V8 motor, but and I had the extra filter. I checked it and I was like, well, it still works. I mean, it may, if the filter's super tight, it may expand this because it's notched out now, but we'll see. I mean, this is like $3 at Walmart, so got myself my own self-made tool. And to get this off, because you're not probably going to get the markings for the 3 side, just mark, cut yourself 1/4 inch wide, 1/4 inch deep, roughly, on both sides, straight across from each other, and you can get it off that way to get you started. It's not easy. You have to kind of do it at a weird angle, and then when you get it off, make yourself your own special tool. You'll always have it, and you save yourself 20 bucks. Anyway, just a quick tip I just figured out. Thought I might help you guys out. Have a good day, guys.